Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I will be going grocery shopping. I will be doing grocery shopping. So guys, this is me on my way heading to the grocery store. So guys, come with me, let's go and do some shopping. So guys, I just arrived at the grocery store. So let the shopping begin. Guys, thank you so much for always watching my videos. Please continue to do so, guys. I don't take you guys' love for granted. I really appreciate all of you that is watching my video, dropping comments. Thank you so much. So enjoy the video. Oh, you don't want? That okay, like this. What do you think? This one is for big. Which one? Which one do you want? What else? This one will be better. Thank you.
Where are your teeth?
No, Hannah bought another six. Just 12. Hannah. Thank you.
Good evening. Yeah. I think we'll go for this one because I have this one. We'll just turn it. No bigger one.
Yes.
No, this one is chocolate. Hey guys, please do wait to always watch my videos to the end. Please guys, do wait to watch the video to the end. Please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and drop your comments at the comment section for me to know that you watched the video. Please, please do so. Thank you so much. Who's your that? Hey, I want some cream. I want this cream, but the price is not there.
Which one? Which of
This
them?
one.
It's the same thing with our media. 10,020.
I will bring it.
Two, pretel, two.
Thank you. Yes. I just need one. One. Thank you. I still have some at home. Let me just take this. Sorry.
I'm back. No need bringing out the water. Hey, hello. Thank you.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Until I'm picking up books to get inside the